Are you bored of eating same food daily and daily repeatedly? Then you should subscribe my channel for some unique and different recipes which you have never tried before. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel at Food Lovers and myself your friend at Yashik Jain. So today in this video I'll show you how to make tutti frutti yummy chocolate and chocolate syrup at home in very easy and simple steps. So first, I'll show you how to make tutti frutti at home in very easy and simple steps. It is very sweet in taste and used for toppings on cakes, desserts, ice creams, etc. So let us start making our tutti frutti. So the ingredients required to make our yummy and delicious tutti frutti are: we need 1 raw papaya, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and we must need different food colors, any number we can take, and sugar as required. So first we need to take a raw papaya which is available in market and peel the outer layer of the papaya with a peeler and cut the papaya into some slices of any size you can cut it. Then remove the seeds from the inner side of the papaya and wash the papaya slices with clean water. Now chop the papaya into medium sized pieces. See that you don't cut and chop the pieces very small. Keep it a little medium. Take enough water in a pan to blanch the chopped papayas. When the water boils, add the chopped papaya to it. Let it boil for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Check whether, and then you check whether the pieces are properly blanched. After that, remove the pieces from water into a plate and let it cool down, and make a sugar syrup using enough water and sugar. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that add blanched papaya pieces to it. Keep the flame on medium till the papaya cubes are softer and sweetened, approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Then add vanilla essence to it. Now in different and small vessels take different food colors. You can take powdered colors or liquid colors. Now add the cubes of a branched papaya sweeter and with little sugar syrup to each vessel and mix that properly so that color is applied properly on every cube. Now leave this mixture for about 10 to 12 hours undisturbed at a side. After that, drain the excess sugar syrup from the cubes and shift the pieces of cubes into plates and let it dry for some time. So guys, now your yummy tutti frutti is ready and you can store it in a glass vessel, but do not refrigerate it. It will be spoiled if you keep out. So now I'll show you how to make a chocolate using cocoa powder at home. This chocolate you can eat as raw or you can use in anything. So guys, let us start making our yummy and delicious chocolate. So first of all, the ingredients which are required to make this yummy chocolates are: we need 2 cups of cocoa powder, 3 to 4 cups of softened butter, 1.5 cup sugar, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 2-3 cups of milk and 1 cup of water. First, boil water in a pan and then in a bowl take little cocoa powder and butter to it and mix it well. Now add this mixture to the boiled water and then we need to add in sugar and as well as powdered sugar. We need to add both sugars and then add milk to it and mix it well, and after 1 minute turn off the stove. Now transfer the chocolate into any mold. You can use it of any shape or plain mold and harden it overnight in refrigerator or freezer. So guys, your yummy chocolate is ready to eat. Now third, I'll show you how to make chocolate syrup at home in very easy and simple steps. This chocolate syrup you can use in milk or as a toppings of cakes, ice creams, etc. So let us start making our yummy chocolate syrup. So first the ingredients required to make our yummy chocolate syrup are: we need 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, 1 drop of vanilla essence or vanilla extract, 1 pinch of salt. Now you need to take cocoa powder and sugar in a pan and mix it well, and then add little water and salt to it. After that, stir it well so that it becomes a good mixture. Cook the raw cocoa mixture over medium heat until it starts to thicken. Note that while stirring, do not overcook it because syrup will thicken as it cools down to room temperature. So guys, your yummy chocolate syrup is now ready. Thank you guys for watching the video, and don't forget to like my video.